What are some of the key skills that you think make you successful in your leadership position and that leaders generally need to have today to be successful? Are there particular skills that stand out to you as, this is super useful to me?
I think that it certainly helps to, like, my team is really smart. Like, they're just really
so
smart.
Hiring the right people?
Yeah.
It's a skill.
Yeah, I also think, like, I really care a lot about, like, teams being close and having shared goals. So, like, drive high performance on a team, or what's really helped me have great people or be, like, successful would be, like, having shared goals and giving people autonomy. Yeah. And, like, a lot of times, like, I think sometimes people take the approach that I'm the boss and, like, adapt to how I am, which is, like, not effective.
Yes.
So I think learning about people, learning about what motivates them, and just being open to trust people first. Like, instead of, like, you build trust by actually just trusting people. If someone on my team or in our department, like, makes a mistake, that you're supported and it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
My boss has been great about that, and I think it's just really about autonomy and actually caring about people's paths.